Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, always make sure your Giulia is in park or neutral for safety. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your right foot. You will find the engine start/stop button conveniently located on the steering wheel. With your foot on the brake, simply press this button once to bring your powerful Giulia to life. It's a straightforward process to get you on the road. Your Giulia relies on its key fob for ignition, so ensure it's always inside the vehicle. This car features an advanced electronic immobilizer system, adding a layer of security. Should your key fob battery be low, don't worry. There's an emergency start procedure. Simply place the key fob in the designated slot, typically found in the center console, and the car will recognize it, allowing you to start the engine normally. When starting your Giulia in colder conditions, it's a good practice to allow a few seconds for the fuel pump to prime before pressing the start button. If the engine cranks but doesn't ignite, first verify your fuel level. A strong battery is crucial for a reliable start, so ensure it has sufficient charge. For any persistent issues or illuminated warning lights, always refer to your owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and specific meanings. After a cold start, it's best to avoid immediately revving the engine. Allow it a moment to warm up. When parking, especially on an incline, always remember to engage the parking brake for safety. To shut down your Giulia, simply press the engine start/stop button once more. Before you exit, take a quick moment to confirm that all accessories and lights are turned off to preserve your battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.